In this makeup tutorial, we are going to go and do some fireworks face paint. For this makeup, we're going to start off with a primer. We're going to put the primer down in only 2 areas, and we're going to go and extend it for where the center of both of these fireworks are going to be. So I am going to go and start off with using some red, and I am using a very vibrant red. The primer is going to really help this eyeshadow go and stick down, and that is exactly what I want. Plus it's going to be nice and vibrant in the center, and it'll be a little bit more feathered at the edges. Now we're just going to go and slightly blend this out. Then we're going to go back over with a blender, and we're going to just take off a small amount of the cosmetic from the center and make sure everything is blended. Now onto the other area that we primed, we are going to go and use a lighter blue for this. So we're going to go and tap out our brush, and then do exactly what we did for the upper portion or for the red. Put down the cosmetic, go and feather it at the edges, and after it has been feathered, we're going to go and blend it a little bit. Now to add a bit of sparkle to the base, I am just using some highlighter for this, and then going and blending this all. Now after that has been blended, we're going to go and move on to a water-based makeup palette. I am using some Mehron makeup for this. And what we're going to do is we're going to start off with a darker red above the lighter pigmented red that we already put down. And we are going to go and create these little lines. It is going to be thicker in the center and then thinner towards the ending. We're going to go and put down this first layer. After that layer is done, we're going to use just a slightly thinner brush with a slightly lighter red. Then we're going to go and mix in some orange there. And we're going to continue to make these lines. Then in the center, we're going to use just a little bit of a darker red again. And after that has all dried, we're going to go over everything with some more cosmetic, and we're going to use some white. And we're going to make some really thin lines. Now we don't want to overdo it with the white, we just want to put this in a couple of areas and try to go along with where some of the darker red lines already are. Then we can make some little dots at the edges, along with also little tiny lines to make it look like there's maybe some glitter that is exploding in the fireworks. After all that cosmetic has been put down, we're going to wait for it to dry, then we're going to go and move on to the bottom. Here's some of the makeup that I am using for this. And we're going to do the same exact thing that we did for the top, except this one I wanted to make the lines just a little bit bigger in comparison to the upper area. I'm using a lighter blue now, and I'm just going and mixing in a small amount of this lighter blue to get some of these different areas that are a little bit lighter like I did for the upper portion. Now I'm going back with some darker blue in the center here, going and creating these little lines. And then I'm going back over everything with some of the white and making these little tiny lines as well. Then I'm going to go and add some little tiny lines at the edges, along with also some dots to make it again look like there is maybe some glitter that would be burning from the fireworks that are going off. After everything has dried, I'm going to go and add some glitter into the center. So I'm going to put a small amount into the blue area, and I'm also going to go and put a small amount into the red area. For both of these, I am using some eyeshadow that has a bunch of glitter in it. And here's the final makeup. Thank you all so much for watching. Happy 4th of July. Take care and have a good one.